Hello and welcome to our 12-week assembly video. Can you believe it? 12 weeks. So by the time we get to next week after the weekend, we are mid-June. And just like that, it will be the end of our school time year for 2019-2020 academic year. Gosh, I think back to when we all started this in September with your first day of hopes and dreams. Do you remember that? How nervous and excited you were, meeting your teacher, seeing your classroom. For some of you, it was a school that you knew, because some of you were in the old school. And then for everyone, it was quite a lot of you brand new, a new passage. Maybe you graduated from grade 1 and you went to grade 2, so you got to see the other side of the building. Some of you were brand new to Dubai, some of you were brand new to DIA Al Barsha, and just a handful of you were the oldies returning to the school. We welcomed many new teachers. We went from, I think it was 18 classes from when we first started to opening up to 28 classes. Have a look at some of the photos of Throwback Thursday. Have a look at some of these pics of what our school looked like before any of us joined it 2 years ago. That's what your play area looked like before it turned into what it is today. So yes, we are in our 12th week of distance learning. You've just come to an end, and there are many exciting things happening. We have our KG2 graduation that's going to be taking place. We have our all-important grade 5 graduation as they leave PYP. And next week we have our, fingers crossed, all-important visit from the IB. We will be the first PYP school to do this as a virtual visit online, and they will be speaking to our teachers, to some of our students, and to some of our parents about life at DIA Al Barsha and about the PYP. What are we doing? What can we do more? Lots of things taking place. All right, so I received an email from a grade 4 student who was very keen to share their talent. So let's have a listen to Yariv on the guitar.
Hi, I'll be playing Believer on my acoustic guitar.
Thank you, Yariv. Yes, I could sing. I could hear the tune of the song and I was singing it in my head as you were busy playing. Well done. Good job. All right. Now, what's up? Yes, how's that marathon going with Miss Jade? I see Miss Biljana, one of our reception ladies for admissions, she says she is almost beating Miss Jade with her running. How have you been doing? Okay, so without further ado, we know what time it is. It's PYP award time. And first up, we have our grade 1s and 2s. And here we go, our PYP award winners for grade 1s and 2s. Let's have a look-see. In grade 1A, have you seen poor Miss Andrea's finger, Miss Waller's finger? She's broken one of her fingers so hard at work doing your reports that it's broken her finger. I'm sure you'll find out more about it, Miss Waller. We hope your finger recovers soon. Right, grade 1A. We have Thomas Ovi and Fardan. You are getting Risk Taker Awards for completing work and trying hard to do some challenges and for joining the team's sessions. Right, and what's next? We've got grade 1B. Amir and Alexia, you are both getting Communicator Awards. Amir for reciting his nature poem for the class and Alexia for speaking clearly in class meetings. Well done. In grade 1C, Miss Anya's class, we have Sophie and Amin, who are both getting Principled Awards for getting all their work uploaded on time to the best of their ability. Good job, grade 1s. Grade 2s. In grade 2A, we have Waleed is getting a Principled Award for engaged and being responsible and committing to give his best at all times during the Microsoft sessions. And then we have Lubna is getting a Communicator Award. Lubna has shown a positive attitude during her sessions this week, and she has persevered and participated even more actively than she usually did. So good job. Well done. Grade 2B, Sana, you are getting a Communicator Award. Sana has made a good effort this week to participate during the team's sessions. And Pamir, you are getting a Balanced Award. Pamir has been working so hard in all areas, participating well and becoming so knowledgeable. In 2C, Julie is getting a Communicator Award. Julie, as a member of the Happiness Committee, showed great initiative in creating a video about how to stay happy during distance learning. I'd love to see that. I must quickly go and have a look at your Toddle account. I'm sure it's on there. And then Aiden, you are getting an Inquirer Award. Aiden also showed initiative during creating a video about chain reactions. Well, these video skills maybe you should do next week's assembly, the two of you. 2D, Gina is getting a Reflective Award. Gina has reviewed and edited her work and learned from her mistakes. And Arav is getting a Knowledgeable Award. Arav, as a relatively new student, has shown great knowledge in his time this week. So well done, grade 1s and 2s. Super impressed with what you have done. Good job. And next up is as I said, next up we have our house results for this week. So Mr. Lee has tallied it up based on the work that you have submitted, and the scores are in. For this week, we currently have in 4th place with only 44 points, Fire. In 3rd place with 45 points, only 1 point difference, we have Water. And there is no 2nd place. There's a tie for 1st with 56 points for Air and Earth. Well done, everybody. Gosh, those scores are close. I wonder who it's going to be next week. Right, what's up next? Yes, it's the grade 3, 4, and 5 PYP Awards. And here we go, our PYP Award winners for grades 3, 4, and 5. Right, in grade 3A, we have an open-minded award, and that's going to France. France for exploring different forms of art and being open to experience different emotions that one can have. A reflective award is going to Sarah for going back to work that you have handed in and responding consistently to the marking and the comments to improve your learning. Perfect that you are doing some dedicated DIRT time. DIRT time, moms and dads? Yes, DIRT stands for Dedicated Individual Reflection Time. It's not just about our teachers marking the work, it's giving our students the opportunity to reply to that marking and feedback. Grade 3B, we have a communicator award is going to both of these students, and they are Jeremy and Ishita for working so hard and diligently and the improvement in your work and understanding of Arabic. Well done. Good for you. I know Arabic and our French and our Spanish languages have really been very challenging during distance learning, especially when there are people at home who can't speak the language. 3C, we have a knowledgeable award going to Bhuvi. Bhuvi used skills she had learned earlier in the year to prove her thinking and details from a text to support her claim. And then we have a balanced award going to Chloe. Chloe shared her thinking and also encouraged others this week to share their ideas. So good job. Right, next up we go to the grade 4s. I know Ms. Jo is just having some technical problems, so she will share her name soon with me, but let me go on with the next list. 4B, Sia is getting a Communicator Award for her well-presented explanation video for UOI. And Suhana is getting an Action Award. Suhana for always completing her tasks on time. In 4C, we have both of these students are receiving a Principled Award. Alia and Krish. Alia for acting with integrity, taking responsibility for her learning. And Krish uses his time wisely and is committed to his work. Right. In 5A, we have Mr. Brian's got some technical difficulties, so as soon as I have those names, I will share them with you. In 5B, we have Jaden and Alia are both getting Action Awards. They have been proactive and diligent throughout distance learning. Alia and Jaden, along with their teammates, took multiple meaningful action for their exhibition topics. Good job. 5C, we have both of these students are getting Risk Taker Awards. Jaden, oh, sorry, that was fun. My reading's wrong. Let me just quickly scroll my eyes down. Just past. Hashim and Ore, they were able to make late changes to the exhibition, which made a huge difference on the day of presentations. It's nice to see you taking action, boys, and knowing that if there's a quick change that needs to be made, you can do so. Good job. 5D, there is a Caring Award going to Neil, and that's for working so hard and diligently and the improvement in your understanding of Arabic. So there you go. As soon as I get the other names from those two classes, I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen or just quickly add it in on a video. So well done to everyone in grade 3, 4, and 5. Really proud to see how you're doing. And well done to Mr. Brian's class who had their final PYP presentation on Sunday. So it really is the end now for our grade 5s as they move on to the next chapter in their lives, as they move to MYP, or if they are going to another school around the world. You never know where one can end up, especially during these unprecedented times. So have a look at our grade 5 ad that we shared for their upcoming graduation. So yes, moms, dads of grade 5 students, get those tissues ready. You're going to need them. It's going to be an emotional time. We're going to try and still get you to cry, even though you're not with us in the auditorium, and all of us together during that very exciting, special moment. Your babies are graduating. Yes, grade 5s, I know you don't like to be called babies, but you are to your parents. No matter how old I am, I'll always be my mother's baby. And so will my sister, because that's how they remember us as. So to the moms and dads, aunts and uncles, grannies and grandpas, the family dog, the goldfish, whoever's going to be attending the online session, enjoy it. And remember, it's been a lot of work. It's not just been this year. It's not just been the past few months through distance learning. Take it back from that very first day that your little one attended school. And now they're getting ready to move to high school. How impressive is that going to be? All right, so that's it for the end of the week. I'm going to say farewell to you all. Have a lovely weekend. Stay safe and keep sending those talents. If you've got anything you wish to share with me, feel free to do so. And good luck to everyone for our PYP authorization for next week, and we will let you know how that goes. Stay home or go out, whatever it is that you're going to do, but just be safe and wash those hands. But wait, before we sign off on this assembly video, just in the PYP Awards for Miss Jo and Mr. Brian's classes. Let's have a look-see. So in 4A, we have both of these students are getting a Principled Award. Congratulations to Dario for making a firm commitment to online learning and seeking help when needed, and to Utkarsh getting a Principled Award for attending lessons on time and completing and submitting tasks, as well as working in small peer groups. Good job, Utkarsh and Dario. Glad to see you are with it. Then in Mr. Brian's class, we have also both of these students are being awarded a Balanced Award. Noura and Arjun both have shown an incredible maturity and balance towards resolving problems and supporting their peers. So well done to grade 4A and grade 5A. That's it. It really now is the end of this assembly video. Bye.